Adding live plants to an aquarium can be done at any time during its life. The decision is a personal one. Live plants add realism and color to the living picture, while at the same time providing added oxygen and cover for the fish. Quite often, larger aquariums keep big or aggressive species that will not tolerate the addition of live plants. They may simply uproot them or even eat them. Plants require a much more passive set of species that will ignore them enough to allow them to grow and prosper in the aquarium. When the fish community is such that it does not uproot or eat them, live plants are a beautiful and natural addition to any suitable aquarium. In the smaller capacity community aquarium, which often characterizes the first aquarium, the population generally consists of peaceful species. In these cases, however, there is often a different consideration that determines the feasibility of adding live plants. Lighting in the aquarium must be adequate to allow plant growth. Smaller aquariums often include inadequate, incandescent lighting, which cannot sustain healthy plants in the long term. Do not try to keep live plants if you are using incandescent bulbs and fixtures. Incandescent lights do not produce an adequate spectrum for plants to live or thrive. They cannot produce ultraviolet rays. The minimum requirement, in our minds, is a fluorescent fixture. These bulbs are capable of emitting the spectrum in the UV band. These rays that are vital for the proper photosynthesis of the plants. Never allow direct sunlight to enter the tank. It may seem sensible to use real sunlight to help the plants grow. This seems logical since this is a totally natural light source. But any sunlight striking the aquarium creates problems that are very difficult to eliminate once they begin. In a separate tip, we will discuss the problem of green water, which is a direct result of natural sunlight. Always use artificial light to illuminate the aquarium, and if plants are being considered, ensure the minimum source provided is a fluorescent fixture and bulb. Consult your local pet store's fish expert on the right bulbs to use for the plants you are planning to keep. There are a wide variety of bulbs designed for different purposes in the aquarium. We recommend to use bulbs that are designed for a full spectrum of illumination, or ones that are more biased towards the UV range. Cool white bulbs, the standard fluorescent bulb you can find in a hardware store, is not optimized for aquarium conditions. They generally do not perform well. Stay with a bulb designed to drive the right spectrum of light deep into the aquarium to the plants and the fish. These often are only available